In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work in the Canva app. Like if you want to create graphics, flyers, social posts, or even presentations right from your phone, Canva makes it possible without needing a desktop. The key is understanding how the mobile app is designed to work because editing on a touchscreen feels very different from editing with a mouse. Once you get comfortable with the layout and gestures, the whole process becomes much faster and much less frustrating. To begin, open the Canva app from your phone's home screen. When the main dashboard appears, look for the plus button near the bottom center of the screen and tap it once. This is your main starting point for creating a new design. As soon as you tap it, you'll see a list of design presets. Scroll through and choose the format that matches what you want to make. For example, you might choose an Instagram post in portrait format, a story layout for vertical content, or a presentation for widescreen slides. Once selected, Canva will open a blank editing canvas for you. Next, let's add a visual element to the design. Tap the purple plus button in the lower left area of the screen to open the content panel. From there, choose elements. At the top, use the search bar to type in keywords that fit your design style or topic. After the results appear, press and hold on the element you want, drag it onto the canvas, and then release. This is one of the most useful mobile gestures in Canva, and it gives you better control over placement. Now it's time to add text. Open the lower menu again with the plus button, tap text, and then choose Add a text box. A text box will appear on your canvas. Double tap inside it to bring up your keyboard, then type your headline or message. Along the bottom, Canva will show formatting tools that let you change the font, adjust the style, and refine the look of your text. Choose clean, readable fonts and use the corner handles to resize the text carefully so it fits your layout well. If your design has overlapping images, graphics, or text, you can organize them using the Layers option in the bottom toolbar. Tap Layers and a panel will open showing each item in your design. Press and hold any layer, then drag it up or down to change the stacking order. This is especially helpful when working on smaller screens. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check by moving elements slightly and watching for Canva's guideline markers. These help you center and balance everything neatly. When you're happy with the design, tap Share in the top right corner. Choose Download, set the file type to PNG, and then tap Download again to save the finished file to your phone. And that's it. You now know how to work efficiently inside the Canva app and create polished designs directly from your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next